Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 723. Here we have the subframe with the original rubber bushings having been removed. And here are the new PSB polyurethane bushings with the metal sleeves just alongside. Once the original bushings have been removed, make sure to clean out the housing thoroughly before installing the new bushes. Lubricate the inner as well as the outer part of the bushing before installing. You can also lubricate the inner housing as well for ease of installation. With the subframe in the position as you see here, insert the bush with the tapered flange facing down. This can be done using a hydraulic press. With the bushings now in the subframe, lubricate the inner part of the bushings and install the metal sleeves using a rubber mallet. And there you have our installed PSB 723 bushes. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.